Saturday morning is the daylight show about plugins, air fresheners, and at 5:57 a.m. and the best air freshener plugins. So, see you tomorrow at 4:57 a.m. and they are going Saturday. Guys, so Saturday tomorrow at 4:57 a.m. we are gonna be doing they're gonna be, I think there's gonna be commercials. So see you on Saturday morning at 4:57 a.m. That's all the announcement is.
See you on Saturday morning, right now on this announcement. So see you on Saturday morning at 4:57 a.m. and we are going to be doing a show. So it's going to be Saturday morning. So if you set your alarm clock, please do that because we want to make sure you get up and stuff when we do this. So when you look at it, it's gonna be sometimes funny. There's just gonna be toys in there. So it's a little daylight outside, but I don't know how. So let's put Mr. Ray's car on the drive.
Hello guys, it's Dee. We are going to be talking about the show tomorrow, so make sure you come. And make sure you bring your stuff and stuff so we can do the show. So yeah. Hi, I'm Tickety, and I can't wait for the show. Right, Mr. Car? Yep. So basically, you have to come to the show because basically I had this little thing on the TV. So Tickety, I can't wait, right? Yeah, I'll see you on Saturday, 4:00 a.m. 4:57 a.m. tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Yep, Mr. Lightfoot, you have something to say before we leave? Yeah, I do. So, I can't wait to see you. And, I haven't saw you in a while. I can't wait to see you guys in the video. So yeah. Bye guys. Bye.